Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to make a desktop shortcut in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and here we find our all install apps or software. I want to create a shortcut of the calculator. You can create any shortcut. I right click on it and go to the more, but there is no option for the create a shortcut. I go to the pin to taskbar, but it's pinned my shortcut or my software to the taskbar. I don't want it, so I right click on it and unpin from the taskbar. I go to the once again start, and here we find my all apps. I left click on the app. Don't release the left click on the your app or software and drag this to the desktop. Our shortcut is created. Once again, I go to the start, go to the any software that I want. I go to the VLC media player or any software. I go to the VLC media player and drag this to the desktop. This is the simplest way to create any softwares or any apps shortcut on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.